Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glowing text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to text and I'm just going to add in this default text and I'm just going to type in glow. Also going to change the font as well because it's better if it's like I guess like this, a bold font. And then I will just select these this bit right here and I'm going to add in glow. You can choose any color you want basically for the glow. Don't forget to change the stroke as well later, like here. And then I'm just going to right click, create compound clip, go to blend mode, and I'm just going to choose the green one. Copy and paste that, and here as you can see you can kind of overlay that on top of each other, creating this really cool effect. If the stroke is maybe a little bit too thick, just change that first. So like the thickness here, make it like super small, and then you can right click, create compound clip, go to blend mode, select screen, and copy and paste to create this really cool text effect. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!